someone had told me 35 years ago that Perfect Potion will become a business that is selling through 6 countries around the world. We would have shops in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane, that my textbooks that I have written would be translated into 3 languages. I would not have believed them. But let me take you for a guided tour of our beautiful Perfect Potion facility. Thank you. Ever since I started Perfect Potion over 35 years ago, it has always been my dream to have our own aromatic garden. With the incredible support and help of Mark Webb, we were able finally, when we moved to our new facility in Guardhouse Road, to create an incredible aromatic garden. It is really now heart and soul of Perfect Potion. A very important part of what we do at Perfect Potion is the authenticity and credibility, and this is what our customers always comment on. And for us, that has meant many things. For example, it has meant that we truly are a sustainable business, and we prove that we are sustainable by having worked with the Queensland Government and Brisbane City Council in order to achieve our EcoBiz 3-star rating, in which we were able to significantly reduce our waste by over 70%, significantly reduce our electricity consumption. We are actually now solar paneled, and we were also significantly able to reduce our water consumption by almost 80%. Another thing that is very important for us was our manufacturing processes. So we meet very strict ISO standards, GMP, good manufacturing practices, for which we get audited every year. And also, if we're looking at good quality essential oils, ensuring they're certified organic is very important. So we have ACO, Australian Certified Organic status, for a majority of our products, not just our essential oils, but also for much of our skincare range. These things are so important. We don't do it because it's for a marketing strategy. We do it because it's important for the environment and important for your well-being. We are here in our starting material warehouse, where all the raw materials and where all the essential oils come from. Now, when it comes to essential oils, I think we need to get back to basics. And part of having good GMP standards also means we have to have complete traceability. Now, when it comes to essential oils, traceability is also making sure that we can guarantee the geospecific sourcing of the essential oils. And I'm so excited, for example, over my time with Perfect Potion, to be able to work with local distillers to source some of the most incredible essential oils. And a good example is the Japanese essential oils that are not just sourced from Japan, but we can even specify the area, the Wakayama Prefecture, just outside of Osaka, near Koyasan Mountain, where they produce some incredible essential oils for which we've been able to create our forest bathing range. I'm here now in the mixing room with Rick. Rick's been with us for more than 10 years now. I call him our master chef because he's responsible for blending all the beautiful products that we make. Let me take you into our QC lab, which is such an important part of our business. This is where all the starting materials, all the in-process products that we're manufacturing, and the finished products get tested. And over here, we have Andrew, our technical manager, has done an awesome job, not just setting up all the documentation, but also responsible for all the testing of the products. Here we are in the filling room. This is where everything gets bottled, labeled, and packed. Over here we have Monica, who's doing one of our most classic of all the blends, our gorgeous relaxed blend. Here we are now in our finished goods warehouse. Here is where we store all the products that we've made, and they are ready now to send out to you and to all our beautiful customers around the world. The warehouse, by the way, is fully climate controlled, so it maintains the integrity of the product summer, winter, all year round. Thank you very much for taking part in this tour of Perfect Potion. I sincerely hope you've enjoyed a little bit of the behind the scenes of what we do at Perfect Potion.